What's up, bro? Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Bikers Fury. I just got a package from JB Racing. It's a racing toolkit for my Pulsar 220. I'm just kidding. It's just a saddle cage and top rack for Pulsar 220. It's not for Pulsar 220, it's for Pulsar 200NS, but actually I'm trying to fit it on my Pulsar 220, doing some adjustments. Well, you can look at this front crash guard and the beak. That looks cool on my bike, and as I told, I'll give a review of this thing. And I didn't even went to any off-road trails so far. When I will move, I'll make sure that how it is looking and how safe it is. I have increased the height of this suspension also. It should be at this point, and I have tilted till the end. It is the maximum point for this one. It is not that much height, even though I try to go for the 200 Bajaj 135 Pulsar 135 suspension, so that it will be a bigger one. Okay, apart from that, let's start unboxing and let's fit this thing. Behind the cameras there is a guy, Prashant. Yeah, my cameraman for today. This is the complete setup. घर पे सोचा था कि अगल बगल वालों का आवाज़ आएगा, इसलिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ. यहाँ पे ट्रेन चल रहा है. Okay, well folks, I have removed the package and parts are out here, and these both are the saddleback carriages, and this is the top rack. For mounting these things, we have to remove the rear seat so that we can unscrew these parts, and later we can fit them. Here is the top rack. This is the main part, so that the saddle cage would come here, both sides. And now I understood that this will be not fitted directly to the 220, as it is the 200NS or Himalayan top rack and saddle cage. So I have to alterate this part. I have to cut these parts, and I have to drill a holes again and trim these parts. After that, we will fit directly to the Pulsar 220. Okay folks, I'm done with the trimming and done some painting. I have blue paint, so done with this. Let's fit this thing here and fasten it with bolts. Now I have to place the saddle carriage here like this. So let's do this thing also as fast as possible. Okay guys, finally everything is done here, and I'm just using this top rack and saddle cage while touring. I'll be using this. These are the most helpful things while touring, this top rack and saddle cage. Last time in my Kanyakumari ride, I broke my indicator due to I didn't have the saddle cage, and now it's okay. I hope it will not damage the indicator, and we can carry more luggage, compared to before. This will be a supporting thing for the saddle bag and anything, and I can place some more things, or I can use the top box, here. And by the way, this is the new cover which I brought from market. I think it is not available in the online. outside it is cloth and inside it is something like plastic thing. It quite acts as a waterproof. I was using this cover since I took this bike and I trusted. So this is the third cover I brought on 5th year running, bro. Okay, that's it in this video, and I hope my bike is ready. I'll shortly come up with a new video. While fitting this front crash guard, I said that I'll take a review and I'll go for a ride in off-road or any other roads, and I'll give a review. Yes, I didn't give yet, and I'll completely go for a ride in a terrain roads, and I'll say how it is working, the vibrations and the weight, the power loose, etc. So that's it for this video. So catch you up in next videos. Bye.